is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So let's just open Google Maps up right now. I can see in the Google folder, and I'm going to choose Google Maps. Now, when you're logged in, go to the top right and go to your profile icon, your picture. Tap this. Then you can see your account and you're logged into this. We can go on down to the bottom to settings. Go on down to navigation. Now under here, make sure we have mute state not set to muted. This is probably why you can't hear anything. So set it to unmuted. Guidance volume, I'm going to put this to louder. Then we can toggle these on and off and just make sure they're to the right. So for play over Bluetooth, we have that selected. Default language is English. Then we can play a test sound, just make sure it's working. And I don't hear anything.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
Alright, so if you don't hear anything
with
this navigation test voice, make sure you have your volume turned up right here too. So my volume should be up loud enough so I can actually hear this. We can press these three little dots too. We might have one of these lower than the rest of them, but I can see this is what ringtones, AI assistant, notifications, system volume, and then here's the medium volume right here. So just make sure these are up loud enough. And then we have OK Google detection hands-free voice commands. So if I say OK Google, it looks like it's bringing up Gemini, but we can do the same thing for Google Maps. And then we should be good to go back to the maps and just have it work now. So let's just test this out. OK Google, or Hey Google. This opens up Gemini now. Another thing that we could try is just going up to the top right, scrolling down to apps. Right here. Then locate maps. So let's go on down to maps. And when we find maps, let's just select it. And we can force stop the application. And then we can just open it up again. Also, we can go on down to where it says storage. We can just clear the cache right here and see if this fixes any kind of issue that we're having with it. Also, make sure you set the permissions for this app. So I have location and microphone allowed. And then I should be good to go. We can allow the other notification, the permissions down here as well, if we want. But just location microphone is good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.